Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on MATIC.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and yeah, today we'll be talking about MATIC. This is not financial advice, and we're going to be going through why MATIC is kind of starting to build growth as of right now.
But before we get into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed. Also, go down below, and if you like the video, please press the like button. It really helps out in the algorithm. And also leave a comment if you have any future videos that you would, on coins that we would like to review. Thank you. Just from looking at MATIC, you can see the price. You might think it's quite high, but not really compared to the circulating supply and the max supply. If you look at other coins that have a max supply of 10 billion, then the price is a lot higher. Then again, we've still got 3.8 billion coins to be released, so expect the price to go down from that. But in the long term, it will definitely be a lot higher than 231. Sorry. As you can see, only recently it started to seriously gain traction. As of all of 2020, it was basically just stable. And then in around in February 2021, beginning of this year, it started to gain traction. And if you gained this dip, which you recently just had over the coming week, then that was a very, very good buy time. Very good. So to buy MATIC or Polygon, the best place to buy it would be Binance, as always. That is always my number one. If you can ever get the coin from Binance, always get it from Binance, or KuCoin if Binance isn't available. And if neither of those are available, all you have to do is you go on Coinmarketcap, go to the markets, and you pick the number one market there, exchange for you to use.
So Polygon is Ethereum's internet of blockchains. Okay, so Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building connections. Building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Okay, so it aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. All right, and it's also built by developers, which is also for developers, which makes sense. So as we can see, Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a pledged multi-chain system. Okay, so Polygon solves pain points associated with blockchain, like high gas fees, as you may notice with the Uniswap gas fees, where sometimes they may be $20, the other time they can go all the way up to $1,000. So Polygon fixes that, and it is inherently more secure than Ethereum's network, even though it is part of Ethereum, which makes it more secure, and it is more open and powerful. So potentially this could be a more alternative to Ethereum. Okay.
So everyone knows there's limitations for Ethereum. That is why they're bringing out Ethereum 2.0 eventually. But the main challenges that Ethereum faces is the low throughput and the poor gas fees. So and also how long it takes to confirm as well. It's terrible, to be honest. And there's also no sovereignty. So many projects are exploring Ethereum compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations. So a way to almost fix these problems that are happening. So this brings us on to the solutions that Polygon is here to bring to build and connect on Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. So the solutions they bring are a one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchain networks, modular and optional security as a service, and adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. So here you have Ethereum, and then everything that's going on around it. That's is like the solutions that are going to solve all these challenges up here.
So the features that Polygon brings to the Ethereum network is that obviously it's ETH compatible and it's more scalable. As you can see, the market cap is it's like 1 out of 40 of Ethereum's market cap. So this is more scalable than Ethereum. Also the security, as people say, this is potentially an Ethereum killer when it comes to security. Okay, and the modularity, so high customizability and extensibility, and upgradable, right? Short term for market community collaboration. So as you can see, you can customize this token, which is something that Ethereum can't really do. and it allows for zero gas transactions, okay, which is unheard of. As you know, Ethereum obviously has high gas fees, so this gives you zero gas fees, which is amazing.
So as you may know, Formulation Phi has partnered with Polygon, which is MATIC if you didn't know. And so there's some serious benefits here. So the benefits are that you can become an early liquidity MATIC provider for Form. Stake and earn double your rewards, and you can also whitelist your lottery tickets. So this is really interesting what they're bringing to MATIC. So I'm really excited to see where we go with this.
As we can see right now, Polygon is still pumping. It's at $2.25, and we are maturing in the crypto cycle, as we know. So I really do think that this coin, could potentially be an Ethereum killer. Right now, I wouldn't recommend, getting into the coin because right now it's up 28%. You should never be buying a coin when it's up. Always wait for a retracement, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down more to the 20K, 25K. As right now, it's still very expensive for a Bitcoin. It's currently 40K. All right. Many people that were buying Bitcoin at 64K, they were hoping for Bitcoin to come to 30K so they can buy more of the coin. And now we are at 38K, 40K. So I do see the price coming down a little bit more lower before we start seeing growth within the crypto space again. Okay. And in my opinion, Polygon could potentially be an Ethereum killer, especially after the rebrand, where it was just MATIC. Now after the rebrand, we have seen a lot of good growth within the Polygon ecosystem. So right now there's still a lot of upside for Polygon, and I can see this potentially hitting a $80 billion market cap, making it potentially a 6x as of now, so around $12. And yeah, that's my prediction for this crypto cycle. And as you know, whenever I say prediction, it's not financial advice. It's just my predictions only. And yeah, especially at these kind of current times, we have seen a lot of FUD happen. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt in the market. And whenever there's fear, you should always be greedy.
Be
And as they
greedy,
say,
yeah.
whenever stuff is pumping, you should just stay away from it. Whenever stuff is pumping, just act like it never happened and wait for a nice retracement so you can get in. And yeah, that's all I got to say. And I think Polygon, for a strong project, I would give it a 9 out of 10 in my opinion. For a strong, large market cap project, and I think it's here to stay. In my opinion, I think it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. This is a great project, and it's something different. It makes Ethereum gas fees almost zero, basically, as what they're saying. And yeah, I can see this, hitting the high market caps real soon. But we just need to see a nice retracement. Because now like it's 30% pumped. People are still buying up the coin. We need to wait for the price to go down. All right, let's wait. All right, because patience is, in our hands. As you can see, it was $1.65 in the last 24 hours. So this is a big pump. So don't FOMO in, especially with Cardano right now. There's a lot of good news for Cardano.
So this is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please subscribe and also like the video. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.